Hi, Bruce. Hey. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Did anybody see that? Except for you. Sounds like a gruesome, grisly good time. Maybe like a nightmare in hell.
No more retreats. I'm taking Top Slayer today.
Yeah, okay, that's your choice. Top Slayer, away. Sorry. Too much to co-captain?
Sometimes I wish there were two of me.
There are two of you.
Is that another crack about my weight?
The game's not over. Wait, what team am I on?
Oh, no.
Father's looking for you.
He looked angry.
He's looked angry since the day I was born.
I'm just a little sheep here, walking, doing sheep things. Blah.
Just give me your hand.
I didn't come here to hold hands, Hiccup.
You feel that?
Yeah, still dry and scaly.
You see that? The future chief is a coward! You heard me! Come on, hit me!
You know you want to. Fine. Remember, you wanted this.
Body, she might see the Maserati. She wanna put it on me, trying to show me her tsunami. She make it hard to copy, always tight and never sloppy. And got her entourage and her own paparazzi. Now that she go with...
The ultimate prize is the dragon no one's ever seen. Speed unknown. Size unknown. The unholy offspring of lightning and death itself. Hide and pray it does not find you. I managed to lose an entire dragon. Ow!
31st floor of the simulation swarm, with a drone of fluorescence, flicker, fever, fill the form with a warm.
Lord, help us.
That thing has wings! Let's see if it can use them!
Фотография твоя, горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра разбитая душа, и все твои обещания пустота.
Rick James, bitch. Party like I'm Rick James, bitch. Ride around, getting it, blowing money on my main bitch. Oh, bumping 2 chain, in a Range Rover, in a damn thing, ain't a fluke, baby, ain't a fluke, baby. Cause the hook game got me off the loop, baby.
Hi, Bruce. Hey.